Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. So this is the second video of our series. As you all know, we have started a Lead Code SQL 50 series. So where you will be solving most important SQL problems step by step using MySQL. So yeah, explaining and writing queries in MySQL. By the way, the concepts will apply can be applied to other databases like PostgreSQL and SQL servers too. So each and every way will be solving problem. Will be checking first problem statement clearly and then breaking down the database schema and then explaining the logic behind the query. So we are solving each and everything in a detailed way. Yeah, stay tuned to my channel for many more videos like this. Just subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're never gonna miss any video of ours. Let me know in the comment section like how you feel the videos are clear or anything needs to be improved from my end. I will definitely try to improve my from my end and to give you best inputs, take give outputs to you. So for that your inputs to be needed. Yeah, let's go to the second problem. Let's get started. Find customer referee. So this is the problem statement. The number of this problem is 584. So find customer referee. Let's first enter into the schema. So where you will having a customer table. So the column names will be ID, name and referee ID. So the data type of ID is int and the name of the type is varchar and the referee ID is int. In SQL, the ID is the primary key here in this primary key column for this table. So each row of this table indicates the ID of an it is telling the details of this table. Okay, so each column of the id here, id is nothing but the customer id. Okay, and the customer name and the customer who referred them, that is a referee id. For example, if one is the person and two is the second other person's id, so the one person got referred by the second person and then the second person's id will be coming as a referring id for that first person. So you understood, right? So id of a customer who refer to them, that will be coming here for this person who got referred by that person. Okay, so this is the table you have to understand. First of all, who is the reference id and who is the customer likewise. So then what they are asking about, find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with id2. So you don't get confused by the customer with id2 and the customer not referred kind of thing. Just make it simple. So find the names of the customer. So the names of the customer means you should get from that customer table itself. So name of the customer who are not referred by the customer, id2. So let's understand, like referrer id is referring is again a customer who are referring to this customer. So that's why they are telling like referred by the customer with id. So that is nothing but referrer id only. So the referrer id should not be 2. So other the customer who are id with the 2 should not be referred for any customer, should not be referred, not. So the name of the customer that are not referred by that particular person. So particular person means the particular person with an id 2 who are not referred, that customers list we want. Or that is the question they are asking. So understood, right? Name, find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with the id 2. That is referrer id should not be 2. So we want to get the names of those customers whose referrer id is not equal to 2. So next, return the result table in any order. Just understand in a normal scenario. So they are the customers not referred by the 2. That is okay. So there can be a case like the customers who are not actually referred by any customer. So that is also will be there, right? So not referred by that and not referred by anything can also be a case, but we have to check both the scenarios, like what they haven't mentioned like should not be referred by anyone. So they are not asking that kind of thing. They are just telling like not referred by the customer id with 2. Let's see how that works. Like and again, then what they are asking, like a result table should not can be in any order. So no need of order specific result they want, and the result of the following with an example you can clearly understand. This is a customer table. Let's see an example how they are telling. Because why I told you like any customer should not be cannot be referred by any person like that. So here you can see referrer id is null. So that means this person is not referred by any customer. So that is there is no customer id for that is null. So they are just asking like not referred by 2, that is nothing but null should also come, right? No, not two means others is also will be there. So that's why we should think in that way also, because by seeing the table we will getting idea. Actually by seeing this statement itself you should think in that way also. So now it is clear that we should think in that, we should think in that way also. Should not be referred by two is nothing but should can be referred by one or can be referred by any other id, and can't be referred by, and the person who are not referred by any id should also come. That should also they are asking. So see here, Bill is there, Jan is there, Bill is there, and then Jack is there, who are not referred by two. Here we should remove the two kind of things and also not things also. Okay. Yeah, let's step into the code. Just solve this. So first we have to select what we have to select. They are told like we should need the name, right? So name, column name is name here. So we should select the name. From what? From, we should get that from customer table, right? Customer, select name from customer. What is the condition we have to give? We have to use where clause for that. We should apply the condition on this particular column, that is referrer id. Just take that, and then should not be referred by two, right? Should not be referred by two, that is two. They are not adding any other condition. Should not be referred by two, that much only. They're like can be one referred or other also be there. You can just submit and check the check if it is submitting or not, or like that. So they are not telling, just they are concentrating on this only, right? So or you can add my other condition. Let me have here like, or what we can do is referrer id is null. So see, is not equal to 2, not referred by that customer, and it can be null, right? So not referred by that, any not referred by any other customer also. So this is the SQL query. Just submit this and check, because they haven't told that particular thing. We can just better to give that also. Yes, 19 by 19 test cases pass it. So yeah, either not equal to 2, or this can be also be a case, right? So or null also will be there, because if you see that like okay, test cases they have given null things also getting as an output. So or this can be also there. So this is the final SQL query for that particular question. Hope you have understood this thing. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll be solving the next question in this series in the next video. So until then, keep watching our videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.